that goal area, and this is where that press should have been very fast from Arnold Odong. If he had pressed in, then that shot doesn't happen. Yes, Chibirige may be blamed, but I also think that Arnold Odong was very lazy in trying to put pressure on that ball. That's what exposed Villa there. The calmness that he showed in not rushing the shot, getting the ball onto his left foot, and then he just set it up there. That was a very good play there. Just look at that. Just set it up quite well. And the composure after they opened up that Maroons defense, he damaged the goalkeeper, and then he just slides the ball past him. That was a brilliant finish. And what a player! His 5th goal of the season and 2 assists already this season. That's a really, really big talisman now for Villa that Patrick Kakane.
Chibirige as well also
contact on him.
He also seems to be still having issues clutching at his midriff. Game does continue. Villa now defending desperately for dear life. And the referee signals the end of the game.